MQ to complete the following prep prior to delivery. The DPT controller is pressure fitted into its cutout. Line up the controller so it's facing forward. Push down with some pressure to set it in place. Using an old piece of leather or a cloth, a wood block, and a mallet, tap the rest of the controller into place till it is flush. Run the DPT controller cord through the cord routing channel and plug into the A1 port. Run the remaining cord along the inside of the desk and tape out of the way of the mounting bracket. Hand thread the 25mm bolts along the side of the desk. You will need an extended bit to tighten the bolts. Attach the 6 screws to the pre-drilled locations. Remove side panel on base unit by pulling panel firmly upwards. Place DL6 actuator in base units through the hole on the top surface, with the motor and the cord ports facing inwards. Mount actuators into place with the included 30mm bolts and washers. Replace side panel. Remove bottom drawer. Place DL6 actuator in base units through the hole on the top surface, with the motor and cord ports facing inwards. Mount actuators into place with the included 30mm bolts and washers. Attach mounting brackets to the actuators using the 5mm bolts and washers. Replace side drawer. Delivery to complete the remaining assembly in customer home. Place one of the leg units with an actuator into the mounting bracket. Slide it back to the side of the desk till flush. Attach mounting brackets to actuators using 5mm bolt and washers. Plug the DL6 cord that you have taped to the underside of the desk into the actuator. Place the file drawers where the desk will live. Lower the desk onto the mounting brackets. Align desktop and base units so all sides are flush. Plug the power cord that you taped to the back of the desk into the wall. Plug the DL6 cords into the control box. Hold down the S button on the DPT controller for 3 seconds. You can now raise the desk fully. While under the desk, make sure the mounting bracket is flush against the inside of the top. Hand thread the 25mm bolts along the side of the desk. You will need an extended bit to tighten the bolts. Attach the remaining screws to the pre-drilled locations. Lower the desk to the customer's desired height.